welcome back to our channel. So today in this video we are going to discuss about how to split team expenses in Expensify. So without wasting much of our time, let's get straight into the video. So if you want to split team expenses in Expensify, all you gotta do is simply go and tap open your Expensify. So once you tap open your Expensify, you need to simply split the expenses by uploading a receipt in it. So once you get logged in into your Expensify account, you need to start by tapping on create and tap on create expenses. Now you can simply scan or take a picture, or you can even upload a receipt that you want to split. So once you have selected a picture or a bill that you want to split, you can use this expense tool. So choosing the team members to split with is also necessary in this step, and designated the amount for each person is also very necessary. So you can split expenses through a chat thread on the mobile app or within the expenses tab on the desktop version. So by doing this, you can simply split team expenses in Expensify. I hope you found this video helpful, so don't forget to hit that subscribe button and to give us a thumbs up. We will be back again with more informative videos. Thank you for watching.